Welcome to Vibe AI. You are about to enter the AI Agents Orchestration platform. With Vibe AI, you can build powerful agents with no code required. Simply describe the agent you want to build or the task you want completed. From the main dashboard, you can start a new task. Choose your agent and the specific AI model you'd like to use, from GPT-5 to Grok 4, tailoring the power to your needs. Let's explore the Agents section. In the Vibe Bazaar, you can discover and install agents built by our talented community. Under My Agents, you'll find all the agents you've created. To start a new one, simply click Create New Agent and confirm. As a creator, you can track your agent's performance and earnings on the Creator dashboard. All payments are sent directly to your integrated crypto wallet, where you can manage your balance and transaction history seamlessly. Here, we see a task that an agent has successfully executed. Notice that you can always monitor your remaining credit balance during operation. To manage your funds, navigate to the Billing section. Here, you can see your remaining balance and choose to buy more crypto credits from various packages. For full transparency, you can view the model pricing at any time. Our unique tokenomics apply a 50% markup with 70% funding operations and 30% used to buy and burn the Vibe token, creating value for the entire ecosystem. Vibe AI also supports integrations. Connect your favorite apps and manage API keys for advanced workflows. You are now ready to orchestrate the future of AI. Welcome to Vibe AI.